Today we will go from Tubigon to Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Enjoy the video. Yeah, we have business class. Oh, wow. It's weird because all the seats in business class are broken. Yeah, we can also take this one, but I want to see the view. I want to see the ocean. We arrived in the new hotel. It's a really great big resort. It looks really nice. Swimming pool, wow. And it's good weather again. We also have a private beach here. It looks really nice. You can just enter the sea right here. We can snorkel, I think. Yeah. Jet ski. Looks great. It is like 2:30 right now and we are a little bit hungry. But to have lunch over here, it's like 500 to 1,000 pesos. So that's really expensive. But we expected that already, but it's too expensive for us. So we will just walk around and find some lunch. We are at the McDonald's again. I've got the Coke float and the chicken with the rice because everything is so expensive here. But there's a very big supermarket here, so we can buy some food and snacks and drinks. And a lot of massage and spa things. We definitely want to do a massage as well. So we got the keys to the new hotel and it looks really amazing. Okay, let's check this view. Oh, here's the pool, Fleur. Oh, we even got a balcony. Yeah, we got a balcony as well.
Wow, we got a balcony.
It was hidden behind this.
Oh wow, this is amazing.
We can also turn off all the electricity. This is the room. It looks really great. We have a TV, a nice bed, also the swimming pool, I think. And our view here. Here I can edit the videos for you guys. And the bathroom. Turn all the lights on. Not the AC. Looks really great. And while you are sitting on your toilet doing your business, you can order pizza here. Okay, but this is swimming pool 1. But they do have another swimming pool, which is I think on that side. Oh, we just went swimming to the swimming pool, which is right here. And it's really great. But our flight back is in 2 or 3 days on March 14, and as you know, with all the things going on in the Middle East, it is probably not going because we have a landing in Kuwait, which is next to Iran and Iraq and war. So yeah, we're a little bit but for now we are going to have some dinner and going to look for a massage because we need to relax a little bit. We are going out for dinner right now because the prices here are so expensive. It was like 800?
Yeah.
Yeah, for a beef it was 800 pesos per person. And for example, a few days ago we ate for 215 total.
It's like the same in the Netherlands, like you can eat.
Yeah, they are European prices, it's crazy. So we first are going to look for a massage and then we're gonna grab a dinner. Filipino dinner around the corner here, 200-300 pesos each. That's better. It is just like a 2-minute walk or something, but traffic here is crazy busy. Like it's more busy than Manila, I think. It's time for the massage. The massage was really good. I'm fully relaxed now, and now we are going to eat. It looks so nice here. Thank you. Here got the first buko.
No, not
the
the
coconut.
First one, not my first
Oh no, the second one. Sorry. You can just open it here. Ooh. I got the pineapple smoothie and we got the adobo kongong, which is like spinach. It's really good. And the garlic rice, of course. And we also got the pork lempo. It looks really good. I've got a nice banana split. Ooh, with ube ice cream, vanilla and I think mango. And Fleur got the mango float. Ooh.
It's a frozen one.
It is really nice temperature right now outside. And we have a beautiful view over Cebu. Lapu-Lapu City. And the food was also really great. It was quite expensive. It was around 20 euros for the both of us. For Europe it's cheap, but for here it's expensive. But it was worth it. It was really good. And tomorrow we will probably eat a little bit cheaper and more local as well. Buddy Nick is back in the vlog. Bro,
Zie je, we gaan een vlogje maken, jongen.
we're coming to Bangkok again, maybe.